My name is George Sousa. I am president of Mariani Packing Company, and our farming operations are in the Lake County area, Vacaville, as well as Yuba City. What do I think make California prunes special? They're really the perfect fruit. Number one, being grown in California. So there is prunes grown around the world, but from a food safety, from a quality, from an efficiency standpoint, California is far and away the best location. And then on top of that, the product itself is a very nutritious product that is shelf stable, portable, and kind of checks all the boxes of the trends today of what people are looking for in their food. So our family's favorite way to eat prunes, there's always the snacking side of it, but from 4 generations of farming, one thing that our family has always done is, my mom taught us actually, is that she uses prunes when she makes spaghetti sauce. And it's really interesting is that if you take the whole prune with the pit in it and put it in the sauce, it creates this flavor that's sort of unique that you can't get without it. And so that's probably the most fun thing we do with the prunes.